Schizoaffective Disorder. Introduction. Schizoaffective disorder causes symptoms of both schizophrenia and mood disorders. Select true or false. Correct. Schizophrenia is a condition that causes a person to have hallucinations and delusions. Mood disorders cause a person to have extreme emotional highs and lows. Dan has been feeling sad and tired. He has also heard voices that other people could not hear. Should Dan contact a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Constantly feeling sad and tired and hearing voices that are not real may be signs of a problem. Dan should contact his healthcare provider. No one is sure what causes schizoaffective disorder. Select true or false. Correct. No one is sure what causes schizoaffective disorder. Lifelong treatment of schizoaffective disorder can help control symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Treatment options are available for the symptoms of schizoaffective disorder. Many people improve enough to lead satisfying lives. Thank you for using Explain.